Alright, I'm gonna cut this crazy long hair of mine using the Brad Mondo butterfly technique, so let's try it out. So I sectioned off my hair. This was probably the hardest part. And I separated it here, and then I did as high of a pony as I can, and I'm about to cut it. Alright, we're gonna cut the first bit of hair. I look hilarious. I'm using this to measure. It's about 5 3/4 of an inch. So I'm going to cut that off my hair. And yeah, where are my scissors? Just 1 second, pause while I find that. Back, found it. All right. So I'm gonna say about here, about that much. All right, now let's fix it up a bit. All right, this is very exciting. Time to do it to this part. Move that out of the way any way we can. We cannot. All right. Lovely. All right, I'm going to take it out. And we shall see what that did. I've not had a haircut in like over 2 years, so that is pretty exciting. It instantaneously looks a lot better. I feel amazing and so much lighter. My hair feels awesome and it actually looks pretty good. I am going to turn around and I'm hoping that it's kind of even. Let me get the hair off my body. So I can't really tell if it's even right now. I'm gonna have to look at the video and tell, so I'm very excited. So yeah, I'm going to style my hair and see how it looks. Alright, so this is how it turned out. It turned out absolutely amazing. It feels great. It looks great. It's very workable. And I'm going to be able to just plop it up the way I like to, and it'll be perfect. But yeah, I love the way it looks. So thank you so much to Brad for posting this tutorial because I'm obsessed with it. I will never go to a hairdresser again. And I'm very thankful. So thank you.